Hey everybody, sorry I can't be with you today. Um, One of the things I realized last night is that uh, as a class, we may not have downloaded the Stop Motion Studio software. This is the software we're going to use to make stop motion animation videos. So, in order for you to do that today, this video will walk you through how to download the software. On the bottom of your home screen, so here's my cluttered home screen. On the bottom of your home screen is a little magnifying glass. You want to pop that open and type in Store. What's going to come up is the Microsoft Store, which is where Kent School District has an account and houses all of their apps that they have paid for. So if you open up the store, if you're on your Grass Lake or your Kent School District computer, at the top of the page, there will be a button that says Kent School District. You want to click on that, and it will show you all the apps that Kent has bought for us to use. Once you click on Kent School District, you're going to click on Show All 40, and then scroll down. In the fourth line down, there will be a button like this called Stop Motion Studio. When you pop this open, this is the software we're going to use. So you want to pop that open, just double click it. And what it will do is it will pop open the Stop Motion Studio animation software. This button right here on your computer will say install because you haven't installed it yet. It says launch on mine because I've already installed it several times. So you want to click on install, and then the product will start installing. Actually, yeah, it will start installing. While it's installing, there's these three buttons over here. We call these the ellipses. If you click on the three buttons over here, you'll have a button that pops up that says Pin to Taskbar. You want to click on that so that way the next time you go to use this software, it's pinned to the bottom of your screen to make it really easy to find. Okay, so by this time your product should be open or should be installed, and so you can click on Launch. Now, before you launch it, there's something you have to do. If you're on Teams and you're in a call with your teacher, you have to turn off your camera. So you want to go ahead and go back into your Teams meeting and click on your camera button and turn off your camera. The reason for that is that the Stop Motion Studio uses your camera to take pictures of whatever it is that you're doing. So you want to turn your camera off in Teams so it can work in Stop Motion Studio. So once your camera's off, you're going to launch this product, and then your first screen will look a little different than mine. Mine, I've obviously made a whole bunch of videos, and when you make a video, they live right here on your home screen, which is kind of cool. So you can click on one of these and see there's one of the videos. This is actually one that comes with the animation or the Stop Motion Studio. So you can click on your video and watch it right there. So here it goes. Here's a video that was made by them. They just cut out letters and moved them around, took a picture every time they moved them, just like we've been practicing. So there you go. Okay, if you want to start making a video, you're going to click on the plus that's on your screen, and that will let you start making a video. And then watch. Now my camera works. Hello, here I am, exhausted after a long day. So here, now my camera's working. You can see me. I can't see you, but you can see me in this software. The cool thing about this software is everything you need is right there on your screen. On the right-hand side is the button that you would use to take a picture. So let's say I'm going to hold up a little stuffed animal, and I'm going to use that for my stop motion animation. I just hold it up, take a picture by pushing the big red button. You can hear it click, and then you can see it appear down here at the bottom of the screen. And then I move it slightly, take another picture, move it, take a picture, and just keep repeating that. And that will make my stop motion animation. Remember, you need 12 pictures to make 1 second of video. So I just keep moving my little creature slightly, and then make sure I have enough photos down there to get whatever I want my video to be. And then I can go back and watch my video that I just made. So here's my video on my screen. It automatically saves everything for you. So I can click on my video. And there we go. There's the video I just made. Woo, super easy and fun to make your video. If you want to be extra fancy, which of course we all do because we're fancy folk, you can set a timer for your camera. So that way you don't have to keep pushing the button over and over. And the timer is right beneath the big red button that you use to take a picture. You click on your timer, and then you can set how long you want to go in between the camera being clicked. So to practice, I'm going to set it at the shortest time, which is just 5 seconds. And this will free up my hands to do something with my stop motion animation. So let's say I want to use a piece of paper and start a drawing. And instead of having to push the button, I want to have my hands free to hold up my picture that I'm drawing. So I set my timer, and then I push the button, and then my hands are free to do my drawing, and then I don't have to worry about pushing the button. It makes a loud noise, and then it starts to count down. There we go. And I hold it up. And then I just keep holding up my little video or my pictures, and it takes pictures. And when I'm done, I push that button again, and then I can go back, and there's my video right there at the bottom of the screen, and I can watch my video and see how I did. Let's say I want to edit a video that I've already made. I just pop it open, and then down here at the bottom of the screen, there's a little pencil button. If I click on that, it'll let me go back into my video, and then I can edit my video or add on to it, or go back and take a look and see what's in there. I can delete certain pictures that I did. There we go. You can go through and take a look and see how my video is looking. Some of these other buttons, like the theme button or things like that, they don't work because we're using the free version of this software. Just so you know, that's kind of a bummer, but that's okay. We're just doing this for practice. Okay, so that's the software. I believe you can go ahead and play with the software today for your class. Or you can, if you're watching this video outside of class, you can watch this video and then play with the software in the afternoon after you're done with learning for the day. Or if you're getting to keep your laptop for the summer, then you can play with the software all summer long. I will see you guys next week for our last library session. Have a great week, everybody. And take care, and I will see you guys